Your inventory is ready to sell, but delays, labeling errors, or missing prep can block sales before they even start. Mistakes in labeling, packaging, or documentation can cost $5 to $10 per unit and hurt your FBA check-ins, while late shipments can drop your best-selling rank by 30 to 50%. Forceget is Amazon-approved fulfillment partner last 3 years, as well as global selling. Forceget can take the guesswork out of the FBA prep. We handle packaging, labeling, compliance checks, and Amazon check-ins with precision. With multiple warehouse support, real-time tracking, DDP shipments, and special carrier rates, clients reduce check-in errors by 95%, ensuring inventory arrives ready to sell on time and penalty-free. No late check-in, no placement fee, no labeling mistakes, no extra work for your team. Forceget makes FBA prep fun, fast, reliable, and fully transparent, so you can focus on growing your business instead of fixing preventable delays.
Contact us today and get $500 off your shipment.